Good evening and welcome to Obajo Banyuan, the motivational and inspirational speech arena. We are on the episode 1 of attitude. Attitude. What is your attitude towards life? I had the blues because I have no shoe until upon the streets I met a man who has no feet. Then I changed my attitude towards life immediately. Attitude, the 100% aspect of life. It is so hard when I had to, but so simple and easy when I want to. It's all about attitude. If you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change the way you think about it. Change your attitude towards it. Then it becomes simple and easy for you. Attitude is all about life. Attitude is a little thing that make a big differences. If you change your attitude towards a particular thing in life in a positive way, then you come out with a positive result. If not more than how you expect it, but exactly the way you want it. That is the power of attitude. To be interested in a changing season is the happier state of mind than to be hopelessly in love with the spring. What about your attitude? Make use of it. So oftentimes it happens, we all live our life in a chain and we never knew we have the cue. This is simply because of the attitude we display towards life. Remember, the only people who find what they are looking for in life are the fault finder. If you are looking for whose faults are displayed, then you can easily find. Irrespective of people's doing around you or whatever it is, or whatever fault they indicate, just don't be hurt. Change your attitude positively towards it. Then you'll be happy. That people does to provoke you will end up being being fun to you, a tip of fun to you, because your attitude towards it is positive. Life is not perfect itself, and we, the people in the life, we are not perfect. Then why don't you make your attitude perfect in life in order to live a simple life? Attitude is what you need, not money, not weight. Just make your attitude positive. Every thought is a seed. If you plant crab apple, don't count on harvesting a delicious, golden delicious. Never. Think big thought in life, but release small pleasure. It's all about attitude. We are all in the gutter, but some are looking up to the sky. You can imagine their attitude. Remember, defeat is not bitter until you swallow it. If you accept defeat, it's never bitter. But if you swallow it, take it to be a defeat, it will hurt you. It's all about attitude. Remember, there's no mania job, but mania attitude. If you are not fire with enthusiasm, you will definitely be fire with enthusiasm. Take it or leave it. It's all about attitude. Being a good frame of mind help ones in the picture of health. Simple. Your attitude, not your aptitude, will determine your altitude in life. It's your attitude. Remember, attitude determines the altitude of life. Simple. Apply positive attitude to whatsoever you are doing, whatsoever condition you find yourself, whatsoever your situation may be. Just display positive attitude towards it. In other words, to be happy in life. In other words, not to be hurt. Thank you. Thanks for watching Obajobani 1, the motivational and inspirational speech arena. Please subscribe, comment, like, thumb up, and remember, your comment, either positive or negative, is always welcome. We need it. You are free to correct, because we are not 100% perfect. Thank you. I remain my humble self, the Obajobani 1. Till we meet again.